Alright, now so to get started, let's head over to our Capcut. Okay, since we'll be using the Capcut app to edit this video, and then of course make sure you're signed into the email address or your Capcut account. We click on new projects. Okay, so let's use this one for example. Documents or information. Click on add, and here it is. So this is the video we are going to be working with. To work on your videos, look at this down place that says edit, audio, text, overlay, effects, captions, all those things. I'll have to reduce the volume of this so that you'll be able to hear what I'm saying. So whatever I'm saying will not be clashing with whatever this video we are editing is saying. So let's try and play it. Documents or information that you need to. So now to reduce or to increase the volume, we swipe down here. This place that says volume, we click on it. Either we increase the volume. Documents or information. It's too loud, or we have to reduce the volume so that you can hear what I'm saying. But when you're editing your own video, make sure that you increase the volume to the highest before you export. Okay? Then after that, we click on this. So once we are done with this whole thing, it's time for us to export our videos. But please, before you start exporting your videos, make sure you played around and you edited this exactly the way it says you want it to appear. When you're done, move up here that says 720p and export. Please click here first and choose the highest definition possible. This is good. Make sure you export at least 1080 pixels with 30 frame rate and recommended Mbps. Which once you've chosen all of this, click on export. Okay, now the video is exporting. Once you've done exporting, you are good to go. You to export to the point of 100%. Which once is done, you go to your gallery and you will find the video there. Okay, good.
The problem here now is this Capcut watermark, Capcut logo that is frustrating. Nobody wants to edit videos and their videos will be having the editing app watermark on it. You don't have to panic. There are ways around all of these things. I made a video on how you can actually export your video on Capcut without that watermark logo. Yes, just go to my playlist, video editing playlist. You're going to see that video where you can edit your videos on Capcut and export them without that watermark logo appearing on your videos. Okay, if you're using the desktop version, you can install Capcut on your laptop and edit your video. It's just the same thing. Just download the app, log into it, import the video, edit anything you want to do, and export. It's the same process. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you will always get notified whenever I make new videos. I'll see you when I see you.